Hi guys, Ashley Harwood here. Today we are going to be making one of these nifty little turned scoops. Now for those of y'all who are regular viewers of my channel, I do want to go ahead and apologize. My video guy is sadly out sick with COVID. He's doing okay and he is recovering, but for this video, all you have is me. I hope you guys enjoy. If you like what you see, please hit subscribe. Let's get started. All right.
There's the drama. And there's the drama. Well, you know, you'll have that.
Well, I got a little too thin. What can I say? Okay, so things did not go as planned, but we learned some important things here. I can look at this and tell you exactly where it failed. Well, there's multiple reasons, but one main one, and anybody who has taken one of my classes knows what is the number one thing? It's grain. So in this instance, our grain is running like this. And remember, the grain is like a big bundle of straws. So with the grain running in this direction, once this area right in here got really thin, you know, all the straws are running vertically in there, there's nothing running in this direction to hold it in. So one way we can strive to solve this problem is not making this bowl quite as thin as I was going for. You know, we always, as wood turners, we like to show off by making things as thin as possible. But in this instance, I want to keep it a little bit thicker. The other thing I'm going to do is I'm going to choose a different type of timber. So this is live oak. Live oak is some beautiful stuff, but it is also prone to cracking and fracturing. So I'm going to use a piece of cherry that's a little bit less likely to fracture. I'm also going to make the handle a little bit shorter just so that there's less weight flinging around. Ultimately, it was the centrifugal force as this guy was spinning that just pulled it right out. It wasn't me bumping it. It wasn't me hitting it with the tool. Centrifugal force is a lot stronger than you think. All right, so let's get started on number 2, and we'll fast forward to the end because you've already seen the rest of it. Well, thank you all again for watching. I'm really happy at least number 2 worked out well. And you know, this is a really fun, challenging project. If you do try to make one of these on your own, just remember, be super, super careful to always keep your fingers on the correct side of the tool rest. All right, thank you so much again, as always, and happy holidays, everybody. Please stay safe. All right, see you next time. Thank you so much for watching. If you like what you saw, I do hope that you'll hit subscribe, and don't forget to also hit that little notifications bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. Also, don't forget that all of the links are down below. So if you're interested in any of the tools that we're using, check out the links down below this video. I would like to give a big thank you to all of my Patreon members. Your support really helps us to continue to produce high quality photos and videos for all of my social media channels. Thank you so much. If you would like more of a behind the scenes look about what's going on here in my studio or in my classroom or with whatever project I might be working on, head on over to my Patreon page. Also, at the $10 level, those patrons will receive advance notice of when I'm going to be scheduling my classes. So if you want to make sure that you can get into my next class spots that open up, check out the Patreon page. Again, the links are down below. And lastly, I would like to give a big shout out to my top tier patrons, Andrew Nidal, Carrie Carpenter, Chris Cairns, Dr. David Matheson, Erica Vane, George Selznak, Jim Tate, Chris Jones, Mark Glonick, Robert Hunt, and Steve Snyder. Thank you so much. Well, that's all for today. I'll see you guys next time. Everybody stay safe.